Hey, good morning, YouTubers. Listen, this video is going to be about 10 different ways you can keep your glasses from getting fogged up. Most videos on YouTube go over one way. We're going to go over 10. I've been in the kitchen all morning doing different things. There's basically two different categories to keep your glasses from getting fogged up. One is mechanical, like pressing down on this to keep the air from coming out, and the other is chemical. So let's go over the mechanical aspects. If you have a mask like this, one thing you can do is you can take a paper towel and put it around the inside to keep the air from coming out of your nose and your mouth up into your glasses, because the air coming out of your mouth, it's going to have moisture in it, water molecules, and it's going to go on your glasses and condense. So you want to keep the moisture away if you can. The second way is if you have the N95 mask, or the better mask with a little metal part here that is like a clamp. The N95 mask, you can form it over your nose better so it fits better. If you don't have any on your mask, the cloth mask, you can remove these because they're disposable. You can hot glue this on there, and then you would have, because this is reusable, you can wash it, and then you have something that will press down on your nose. The other thing you can do is you can adjust the loops on your ears. On these, you can just twist them around like this, and it'll increase the tension on your face. Now, if you have the N95 mask, what you do is, instead of the top part going over your top of your head and this part going on the bottom of your head, you just bring them up and reverse them. The bottom goes over the back top of your head, and the top goes down over the bottom back of your head. So it's crisscross, and it creates more pressure on your face. What you're trying to do is get this part, because everybody has different faces, so you can't have a universal mask because there's no universal face. So you want to try to change the way the mask fits on your face so you don't have the air coming out. Now, those are 4 different ways you can stop the air coming out mechanically. Now, this morning I've gone over like 5 or 6 different ways, tested them, where you can put chemicals on your glasses. Now, I went over all the forums, different things people tried or recommended. One thing they recommended was vinegar, because people put it on their mirrors in the bathrooms and so on, and it keeps it from fogging up. I tried it, it didn't work. Not for me. The second thing, in the literature, or when you go to schools, universities, they tell you, like the medical students, to take off the glasses, and when they're washing them with soap and water, get like a soapy film on your glasses, and then just shake them off and pat them dry so there's a soapy film left on the glasses. That soapy film, it acts as a surfactant. It keeps the water molecules from combining. Like the water molecules, they want to have a family reunion on your glasses and form into water droplets. And the soap keeps the molecules from doing that. But I tried it this morning, and it wasn't too successful. It helped a little bit, actually, but not nearly as good as the other methods I'm going to talk about. So that was 2 with vinegar, and then the standard method they teach everybody, we just soap and water and leave a soapy film on there. The next thing I tried was some Dawn dishwashing. I actually tried another one. It's this one, and they both did work, but what happened is they left kind of a thick film that was not difficult, but it was visible, and you don't want glasses to have anything on there visible. So it wasn't my favorite, but a lot of people recommend Dawn. But I think maybe what they're doing is maybe they're diluting the Dawn just a bit by like 10% with some water. The next thing I used was the shampoo. Everyone says to use baby shampoo. I didn't have baby shampoo, but this is the VO5. It's very cheap shampoo. It has almost no extra ingredients. There's no aromas or scents or different things in there. So I tried it, and the thing about when you add things to your glasses, don't pour the chemicals or the liquids on your glasses and rub. put them on your paper towel, or if you have a microfiber towel, even better, and then use that paper towel or microfiber to rub on your glasses. And also, don't rub so hard. You're not trying to erase the serial number off a pistol. You know, you're just trying to, because if you have prescription glasses, they're expensive and they come with coatings and stuff. If you can rub too hard. Also, some things like you never know for sure if you have something that you're putting on it doesn't have an abrasive that would ruin your glasses. So you want to be very careful what you're putting on your glasses. Now, like I said, I found it a lot easier just to put the liquid onto the paper towel and then rub. And I didn't see any need to do it on the outside of the glass because all of your moisture is coming from the inside. Unless you're like, you know, a heavy relationship with someone and they're breathing on your glasses from the outside. Now, what was another one? We went over soap and water, shampoo, the Dawn, the shaving cream. I used the shaving cream. The shaving cream and the shampoo were the best ones. The only negative about the shaving cream, it kind of left some little pieces of white in the cracks and crevices of the glasses. But you don't need to be at a sink or any place where there's running water like some of the other methods. But if you have a little tiny bottle of shampoo, you also not have to be at a sink or anything. So those are one other method. Every time I make a video, unless it's a cooking video, I always get people say, well, can I use WD-40? Actually, I think you could, but you might have chemicals in here that will mess with the coating of your glasses. Number two, if you have the goggles, they're going to leave a chemical residue and you have the gas inside and affect your eyes. And I don't think you want to use WD-40, but theoretically it's one of the few instances it would keep maybe the water droplets from forming, but I don't think you want to do that. So those are the 10 different methods you can do to reduce the moisture. See, I still don't have any moisture in my glasses. And what else? Well, I think that's about it. Oh, the last one is they make commercial liquids you can put on your glasses. They're not too cheap though, but I find the shaving cream and the shampoo seems to work fine for me. I'll leave a link to any commercial ones I find on Amazon, and if you're interested, but I'm using the shaving cream or the shampoo. Hope this was helpful to you guys. And you come back, I put new videos on. I put new videos on every week. Been doing it for 13 years. Got over 800 videos and all sorts of different subjects. You never know what you're going to find. And sometimes about WD-40. All right, guys. Hope you're having fun with the calamity and you stay safe and be nice to each other. People are going crazy. I've had so many angry messages lately on YouTube on my channel from people that you shouldn't be doing this, you should be doing that, and if you shouldn't be listened to, and like, people are really upset right now. So try to chill out, and I shouldn't be telling you what to do. Do whatever you want, but try the shampoo and the shaving cream for your glasses. That is going to work. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was helpful. Take care. See you out there.